a shift to third with a false neutral. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. What is this? A little motorized scooter. Legit motor. It's interesting. Bumping some Fisher right now. That's pretty sweet. Alright. Sounds pretty lethal. Doesn't look too lethal though. Forgive me for my rustiness, people. Last bike I was on was a Harley Davidson Street King, and it is a lot different than this bike. Like, can't even begin to explain how different it feels. This feels like a little toy. Is it a trail or something, I guess? Oh my gosh, I'm so rusty right now. Random spot. See what's up here. Tell you what, these goggles aren't very good at blocking out the sun. Not very good at all. As you can tell in the last video, I was in Arizona. I was expecting it to be warm. Well, I guess it was warm in like Phoenix, but I was in Sedona, Arizona. Man, was it cold. Like, it was colder than here, as cold as here.
So guys, the mic does get unplugged here at some point, but it's only for a few clips. It does get plugged back in here very shortly.
Shit, keep it quiet and keep on moving blindly. It's something about you I don't know, you're just not anybody. But you got me, ready to give you the gloves and let you ride me. Away from innocence, girl, it's bitter innocence. I caught some feelings and I think I got that shit again. I don't know if it's drugs or not. I'm talking a lot, man, I would disapprove. If I was sober and I was able to collect my thoughts, maybe then I'd be able to see through all your pretty lies, pretty face. Girl, what's that smile? You don't go anywhere, but you know everybody. See shit, keep it quiet and keep on moving blindly. It's something about you I don't know, girl, I love your pretty lies. Yeah, you use them all on me, and then you wrote a love letter on my car.
How do you guys scrape? Seriously, how the hell do you scrape? It's gotta be the scariest thing in the world. How do you do it? I don't know. Like, that's pretty far back. The benefit with that is you're not chasing it all the time, so I can ride wheelies at the same speed as opposed to ending up redlining on this side of the bike. Oh my god, I literally thought I was gonna loop there. Well guys, it seems that the GoPro SD card issue has struck yet again. I did just see a fox over there, which was pretty cool. I was talking to the dude about it over there. He's practicing, his son rather, is practicing bicycle riding in that lot. So told him I'd stay up here. You know, good Samaritan guy and all. But yeah, almost just looped, so let's see how close we can get to doing that again, but still not looping, ideally. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. Alright, I'm feeling good with that, because I'm getting to the point where I'm at balance. And yeah, I'm a little scared, but I'm actually using my foot brake and bringing the front back down. I need to be a little bit lighter on the foot brake though, because I'm bringing it back down too hard. But yeah, that's it's definitely a balance point area. Okay, I think that was kind of balance point, because I wasn't revving it out, but I was still staying up. All right, I'm about it. Like, take wherever you think you're supposed to be, or take wherever you think balance point is, and go back about like a foot probably. Especially on this bike. Oh, Oh, it's always scary. But as long as you've got that rear brake, I guess it's something you get more comfortable with. Nevertheless. Holy. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was so close. That was so close. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I saw my life flash before my eyes. Okay, not my life, but I totally thought I was going down there. Like, I don't know how I didn't go down. I can't wait to look at the GoPro footage because I feel like I just was like, but somehow, by the grace of God and me using that freaking rear brake, I think we just went like sideways and I got all tweaked, but always an interesting day in the life of Connor. Guys, I don't know how gnarly that looked, but it felt gnarly. Literally thought I was gonna go down this side, have to ditch the bike. Alas, here we are. You just gotta follow it up. Fear is necessary so you don't die, but it's all about managing the fear. Just getting used to being in those uncomfortable positions. Like balance point. Alright, let's get out of here. I'd say that our guardian angel has done their fair share of work today. So, what's that guy doing? A little exercise bike? That's interesting. I'm gonna go see it. Very cool. You're not getting very far. That's cool. Okay, so now the plan is to try and see if we can take any of the knowledge from that parking lot and apply it here on this little hill. Definitely closer to balance point, for sure. I'm just an absolute sketch ball today. I don't know why. I just am. Ooh, woods. Could be fun. Any cops, anyone? Any cops anywhere? I think we're good. Alright guys, well I cannot see anything right now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I guess I should maybe do a little wheelie for 600 subs. Yo, there's a big old horse. That's dope, that's dope. I've heard of it. I'm pretty sure that's the horse I met before. But thank you for 600 subs, guys. I will catch you next time. Peace.